Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here. Welcome to brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one of the easiest method to normally generate your first $100 with Clickbank. And the method that I'm about to normally show in this video, it's so new that if you normally become one of those person to follow the method, you are definitely going to be getting a result. So in order to understand the entire process for promoting the Clickbank product using the new method that I'm about to share in this video, make sure you are going to be watching this video until the end. And the method is absolutely free, of course, where you don't have to pay a single dollar to drive a traffic and to normally promote a Clickbank offer. But before we normally proceed to a video, I like to normally show you a few things. Okay, so if you are a beginner who is struggling to make money online with affiliate marketing, and you want to normally understand how you can make money as an affiliate marketer without having to do a lot of hard work by following a blueprint that has been proven to generate a income. So for that, I have normally included one link down below this video description and on pin comment, which will call make one $10,000 every single month, okay, in affiliate commission. Here if you click on that, it will take you to this registration page where you can register for one live training call from Jono Armstrong, from whom I have learned most of my way of doing marketing and earning an income as an affiliate marketer. And if you normally click on the register button, you can normally choose to join the webinar according to your preference, and this webinar is absolutely free. Of course, you don't have to normally pay a single dollar to join the webinar. Plus, as a free bonus on top of that, you are going to be getting $100 a day checklist, which will show you how you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. So this is a really valuable live training call from a Jono Armstrong, which is called Ministry of Freedom, and I highly recommend you to normally register for this, so you are going to be getting success as an affiliate marketer. So since I have normally show you this, I like to show you two more things. Okay, so first thing, there is a 9-minute long video that I have uploaded back in 4th of July 2021, which has got 635 views. And in this one, I have shown you one of the easiest method to promote a Clickbank product, which can at least make you a $500 every single month without having you to do a lot of hard work. If you're able to follow the process properly and be consistent with the method, you are going to be getting a massive result. So link to this video will also be on description. Make sure you are going to be checking out. Then there is another 40-minute long video, which is a detailed training for promoting a Clickbank product as a beginner, completely free of course, which I have uploaded on my channel back in 5th of June, which is going to be showing you one of the bestest method that I have personally followed to generate income. As you can see, I have also shown my income proof on JBZoo and Warrior Plus, that how much money that I have generated by following those methods. And I'm pretty much sure you are going to be getting a massive result if you follow this training as well, which link will also be down below this video. So since I have give you all the detail and the next step you have to follow, now let's begin with our video. So how you are going to be promoting a product from a Clickbank, which will help you to generate a lot of income. For that, you have to normally choose one specific niche that I'm going to be recommending in this, and that niche is dog niche. Okay, dog and cat niche, these are a niche which is selling the product right now a lot comparing to any other niche on a Clickbank. So you have got a golden opportunity to promote the product on these specific niche to earn income. So first, you have to search for a dog, then choose a gravity. The reason we want to normally choose a gravity, because we want to promote the offer that is converting, right? And if I normally go over here, a brain training for a dog, this product has got a gravity of 101, which means at least 101 affiliate have generated a sale for that particular product. There is another product, so if I normally click on the name of the product, it will take me to a sales page, and let's just have a look what is this product all about. Before you normally choose any product to promote, you have to make sure you are going to be getting all information regarding that product, so that way you are going to be having an idea. So this is not a normal sales page, this is a video sales page. This is a kind of a sales page I really hate, because there is so less information and we have to watch a 30 to 40 minute long video to find a detail about the product. But still, these are kind of a product converted really well. So let's just go with our brain training for the dog, because this is a product which has got a written sales page including a training videos and all, which will provide us a lot more information. So if I normally go over here, as you can see, we have got a bunch of a detail on their sales page. So we have to make sure we are going to be sending a traffic to this page, and when they normally click on this get instant access, they are going to be going to a checkout page of a Clickbank, and they can purchase it for a $47, and you are going to be earning a 50% commission of that particular price. Plus this product will also contain the upsell, which will help you to normally earn a more profit on the recurring billing, allowing you to get more result. So find more detail about the product as an affiliate, and to get a marketing resources, you have to normally click on affiliate page. And if you normally go on affiliate page, as you can see, they have provided every single information that you need to know about the product. For example, they have provided a free banner, they have provided a free giveaway. You can offer this free giveaway to your visitor to usually build your email list, email swipe. Then they have gotten a long spicy thing, a keyword idea if you want to run a paid ad, a lookalike audience if you want to normally run a Facebook ad, or if you have got an email normally list, or if you want to build an email list to target that, you can get this lookalike audience. So make sure you are going to be visiting affiliate promotion page, so you can get a massive detail about the product. So now the method that we are going to be following will be posting an ad about this product, but the ad that we are going to be posting will be free of course. We don't have to pay our money to post the ad. So the place where we are going to be posting the ad will be Kijiji. This is a classified ad website only for people who are located on Canada, means tier 1 traffic. And if we normally go on this website is currently receiving like an close to 1 million visitor every single month, which is really big number. And every single people who come in this website, they mainly look for this paid category, where there are a lot of other things. So if I normally click on paid category and animal and paid service, we can normally see a many ad, and we can see a many listing over here of a paid and all those things. So this can be a golden opportunity for you to follow this method for start driving a traffic. For example, a dog board in our house, don't improve your approach, a dog walking training, want a recipient service to a toll gaze. Okay, these are on some different language. It is really tough for me to normally pronounce and explain you, but these are ad related to a dog training, dog care and all those things. So we have to normally post our ad on this website absolutely free of course, to normally promote this dog product. Or you can also promote a product for cat or any other pet. You have to make sure that it fall under a category of pet. For that, you need to come into this website and create a free account. Once you successfully create a free account, click on post ad. Once you normally click on post ad, now you have to normally give it a title, brain training for the dog. So this is the title that we want to include over here, because this is a perfect title. Whoever want to normally train their dog, they will normally come over here. And as you can see, these are suggested category, right? So suggested category has been already selected, and now you have to normally select a specific location. I recommend you to normally not choose any selected location, just normally leave it on an entire country. Now what you are offering, then you have to normally give it a description of this, right? So a high quality dog training feature 21 game to improve a dog intelligence. Okay, dog intelligence and behavior plus easy to introduce training overcome, created by a well-known professional dog trainer. This is a perfect description that we want to include over here. So now description has been included. So now on the tag, I'm going to be writing dog training, dog brain training, training. Puppy training will be also another good tag. So as you can see, I have included a 4 different keyword. It will let you to normally add up to a 5 different keyword. So if you normally include a perfect image, it will be a lot more easier for you to normally get a more attraction. So for that, I'm going to be saving all these email. Okay, I'm going to be saving this image on. Let me normally go over here back. Okay, products and logo page. I'm going to be saving this dog image. Dog training, image number 2, image number 3, image number 4. The more image that you are going to be including, the more chance of normally getting a lot of sale will be over there. So now, as you can see, I have successfully downloaded 6 different images. So now the thing that I have to normally do is to normally upload those images over here. So I'm going to be clicking on this one. Let me go to a pictures, a product logo, then I'm going to be typing D. So I can normally select those images, right? So we have to normally select first download 6. So let's just go with 6. Okay, uploads. Okay, so the picture do not meet a pixel requirement that they have got on your website. It should be at least 300 pics to 655 pics. So on that case, the thing that we can do is to go on Google and search for a dog training. So we cannot use a lot of images from their website because they are not totally pixel ready for a listing. So I'm gonna be just saving a few images from Google. That will help us to normally get a lot of eyeball. This one is also perfect too. Okay, for now to save a time, I'm just going to be downloading 3 different images. So now first one, second one, for some reason. Okay, now second one, then we need a third one. Okay, so I have selected 3 different images. Once you normally select those 3 different images, okay, once you normally select those 3 different images, let me go over here and search for that image again. For some reason this image has been highlighted over here. Let me put over here. Okay, so now the image also for the ad has been optimized. So if you have got if you able to normally find any video training, you can normally copy it, and if you normally click on link to your website, you have to normally pay them like in a $4.95. so we are not going to be paying them. So now you have to normally include one address. For that you can normally use one specific website which will allow you to normally get an address of any country. So for example, fake address generator, right? So I guess this is for United States maybe, but you have to normally find for a Canada. So as you can see, CA fake address, here we go. Now you have to normally copy this detail, go here again and paste it out. So see, then you have normally successfully done that. So now you have to normally include your email over here, and you have to normally include one phone number. So I like to normally recommend you to normally use one website called Text Now, which will help you to normally get a phone number of a United States. You have to include that so they can contact you. Once they contact you, you have to manually send them your affiliate link. So this way you are going to be getting way more result comparing to any other method, because you are going to be having a personal human touch with the people who want to buy the product. So now I'm going to be choosing this email because I have used this email to register on a Text Now way back in. So for some reason it is not letting me. Okay, it is redirecting me to their main dashboard. 550. Okay, it will normally take it a couple of seconds for them to normally get it. No, let me remove all this. So now this is my phone number that I'm going to be including over here, right? So +1. Okay, for some reason I cannot include a +1, but that's fine for now. So now since I have normally included the phone number, I have included most of the detail, I have included an address and all those things, it is going to be helping you to normally publish the ad absolutely free of cost. And whenever someone want to normally buy the product, they are going to be sending you a message directly. You have to keep checking on Text Now the message that you have received, and once you got a message from them, you have to come on a Clickbank, click on promote, and now you have to normally give a tracking code, for example Text Now. So this is from that website where you have got a message from Text Now. Copy it, go to a website called bit.ly.com. okay, bit.ly, I guess it's not actually a .com. Okay, it is a .com. Then click on certain, copy the link and normally send them that on the message this way, and they are going to be receiving this link. They will click on it, they are going to be getting redirect to the sales page of the product. They are going to be purchasing the product. You can even convince them, you can provide them further detail about the product on one-on-one conversation, which will help you to get more result. But there is also something that I like to recommend you, that is to normally pay a $4.95, which will help you to get a traffic directly to your website, where you can directly include an affiliate link. It will cost you a $5, let's just assume one-time payment, but you are going to be getting a way more result comparing to this text now method if you normally pay them a $5. But I highly recommend you to normally follow this method, because this is going to be helping you to get a lot of people who are interested to buy this kind of a pet related product, allowing you to normally make your first ever sale on a Clickbank, or allow you to earn at least $500 every single month, because this is a personal human touch promotional method which will help you to normally get a lot of result. So now I'm just going to be clicking on post ad. I still have to normally put that address, okay, postal code or street. I guess I have to go to that website again. Canada, Canada, fake address. I'm now on Canada fake address. This is the street address. I'm going to be choosing this one. Then I'm going to be clicking on post. So now this ad will be successfully posted, and once the ad will be successfully posted, as you can see, there was an issue on posting your ad, please contact your customer support. So I have not verified my email address on the platform, because I have just created the account like in a 2 day earlier. That is the reason it has not let me to normally post the ad. But if you normally confirm your email address, you are going to be getting able to publish your ad properly without any worry. So once your ad is being successfully published, the next step that you have to follow is to normally keep checking a text now for the message of the people who want to normally buy the product, and you have to send them a message in a reply, which is going to be helping you to normally promote the product and get a sale in no matter of time. You can follow the exact same process to normally sell other thing as well in this website, but I highly recommend you to normally follow this one of the easiest process to normally promote the affiliate product. And if you have got a $5 to spend on, you can pay to normally drive a traffic directly to your affiliate link. But I recommend you using the landing page, that way you are going to be getting way more extra result. So I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this valuable video, give it a thumbs up. If you have got anything to ask, let me know on the comment below. I'm going to check you out on the next one. Until that, take care and bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon, because on the future I'm going to be uploading more video on the topic of promoting Clickbank product as an affiliate marketer. And do not forget to normally join the MOF program, which link will be down below this video. Ciao ciao.